Welcome to Impact Phase. Today we are going to be solving Waec question number 9B. Waec 2023 is a question 9B. So I'm going to read the question and then we are going to be solving together. So let's continue. Okay, the question reads, a truck of mass 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 kg is pulled from rest by a constant horizontal force of 25.2 Newton on a leveled road. If the maximum speed attainable in the process is 60 km/h. Calculate I, work done by the force, II, distance traveled by the truck in reading the maximum speed. So we are going to isolate the parameters. We are going to write down the values, given in the question. So let's look at what we were given. The first thing there is mass. The mass is 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 kg. Then we'll have the initial velocity. The initial velocity there is about 0 meter per second. It's 0 meter per second. The velocity, the maximum velocity is 60 km/h. You need to convert that maximum velocity. If you convert it to give you 16.7, look at how I converted it. Multiply it by 1000, divide by 60 times 60. You get 16.7. Okay, we are asked to calculate the work done. The work done here is kinetic energy because the truck is what? Moving. And the formula for kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. So we'll just plug in the values. So we are going to have 1/2 times 1.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3, the mass, then times the maximum velocity, which is 16.7. Somebody will ask me, why is it 16.7? I'm using 16.7 because the SI unit for velocity is meter per second. So if you use your calculator to calculate this, you're going to get 167,334 joules. This will be the work done. This will be the work done. This is the I part of the question. The II says that you should calculate the distance traveled, and you already know that work is equal to force times what? Distance. So the work here is 167,334, and this will be equal to the force is 25.2 Newton. Let me remove this Newton. Just multiply by what? D. So what we need to do is to divide both sides by this 25.2 to get the value of D. So we'll do it here, 25.2. We do it here, 25.2. So my D should be equal to 6640.2. This will be in meters. You can use your calculator to check if I'm right or what wrong. But from what I have, I believe I'm correct. So you can also check. So because I told you earlier, I don't have a calculator. So this is how to calculate the work done, and this is how to calculate the distance traveled. Thank you very much, and please follow me on my YouTube channel.